Time for another mail call. Let's see what we got. Alright, just finished up doing the gimbal on the drone, and guess what? We've got mail. Got two channels here. We got TheFrameOff. Built, not bought. I love that logo and that saying, man, because I'm all about doing what I can myself rather than buying stuff. If you look at my about section, it talks about that a little bit myself. But definitely go check out this channel. As always, you'll see links down there in the description. Who knows, maybe I'll throw some clickies at the end of this video as well to go ahead and just instantly subscribe to these channels. But TheFrameOff, good channel, check him out. Another one of the Canadian channels, I believe. Let me take a look here. I'm going to take a peek at the address. Yep, Canada, up there with Drive Shaft Drew. So cool stuff. Excited about adding more stickers here. Another one I have here, and forgive me if I say it wrong, but Shlisa shell. That's a tongue twister if I ever had one. But she sent me all kinds of goodies. We got a couple stickers like this. Very cool. I like the kind of matte finish. And then we got some cards, and she even has a postcard here. So that was kind of a cool way to do this. I was thinking, you know what, maybe I'll actually start doing this too, because it can maybe save a little bit on postage. But she put a little note in here, said, Yoshi, this sticker swap is long overdue. And I agree, definitely. I've been subscribed to you for quite a while, and somehow, I don't know how, but missed swapping stickers with you. He said, you're excited to have one of your famous stickers on your board, one of my famous stickers on your board. Hey, I appreciate it. I wouldn't necessarily say famous, but I'm glad you like it, and hopefully it's in the mail already, or that you've already received it. Keep the fires burning. Will do. Which, speaking of which, is part of FWA, or Fat Wooders Anonymous, which is something that I did not know what it was. I've actually used fat wood before, but I didn't know what it was called. So for those of you who don't know, fat wood is actually a aged kind of pine. So when pine trees die or cut down or harvested or whatever, in the wood itself, typically down towards the base of the tree, base of the trunk, the sap is really concentrated within that wood, and that sap is also very, very flammable. So you can actually, with one match, light that wood and light a fire up with it. So that's definitely cool for those of you outdoors people, prepper type. Find a pine tree, look down at the trunk, and you might find some fat wood. Very easy way to start a fire. Be good for bow drill or hand drill kit, whatever. Just to be able to start fires easier. So anyways, check both these channels out. Very cool channels. Yeah, definitely. Just do it. And let's get them on the board. And there we go. We've got them up here. Awesome. Welcome to the box. Definitely loaded up with all kinds of fun channels. As always, don't forget to check them out. We've got tons of cool channels, whether you're into restoring cars, prepping, just vloggers, Jeep stuff, old Fords, Mustangs, Mopar, Canadians, yeah. We'll even throw a shout out to the Canadians. Got to, because TheFrameOff joined the box today. And special shout out to our friends up in Wisconsin, just moved up there. That's Jamie and Matt. Thanks, they sent us a sticker too, so I'm going to throw you up here too. As always, check all these channels out, because down there in the description I've got links to everybody. And yeah, got lots of fun stuff, so go sub to them and share that support for all of these channels, big and small. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, make cool shit. Later.